What's up, guys? We're back. We got the Subi. We got Christian, who doesn't want to be around people that drive Subarus, even though he drives a TSX. So I am having an issue in cylinder 3, which is going to be this back one over here. Well, I'm going to move the battery, take it out, and I got spark plug and ignition coil. I'll show you guys the clip in a second of what was happening. But on the highway, I thought I blew my turbo. I was not having a good time after that. And yeah, so it came out of that. Scanned it the next day. And you got a MISfire in cylinder 3, so I'm going to take it out and see what it is. Alright, so next thing we got, take those two little trims off, pull the boot out, but I gotta get rid of that first one to get the second one. Alright, so we got the coils out. We're gonna use this and this 3/8 flex. GoPro. Yes sir, yes sir. You gotta record everything. You gotta make that extra money somehow, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Well, yeah, so should just essentially go straight in and then go do it. Word. So we have the some brackets. So we got the plug out. This is what it looks like. It doesn't look too bad. I don't know why it's not focusing, but I did the plugs about not even 2 months ago. So hopefully changing out this one plug and the ignition coil changes everything. That'll be fire. So yeah, next thing's going to be taking that out. Alright, that was a little bit of a hassle, but we got it out. Now old one compared to the new one. Nice. Let's get this party going. Time to put it back together. Yay! Yeah, sir. I'm gonna go turn it on right now. We got it all done. I lost the clip, but I'll go buy some. Let's see if it turns on. So let's go on a test drive on the highway. All right, let's see if I can go past third gear. One-handed style. Yeah, I'm gonna open it up very soon. So far, chef's kiss. Oh, it's still doing it. Well, that means I have a different issue. I'm just realizing now I got the coils mixed up, so I put the wrong one on the wrong side. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna probably just change this over, the good coil, so this one should be a good coil, to the other side, see if it fixes it. If not, I'm just gonna buy a new coil. Nice. I'll be back in a second. Okay, we should be back. We should be back on the test drive right now. Let's see. Will I have boost? Well, we never know. One hand, it's crazy. But this is the only way to know. Oh yeah, bud. One-handed downshift. that means I'm gonna be buying a new coil for that, the right side. I read the thing wrong. I was reading backwards. I don't have all data or anything, so I was just going off of an image, and yeah, I read it backwards. I would have had the easier side to do, but I guess I like complicating things. So I'll see y'all later, and have a great day, everybody.